to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Monday, December 2nd, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back from Thanksgiving break.
It's time!
Okay, leave that to Mariah Carey. Now here are your daily announcements.
Hi, my name is R.A. Williams, and this is Python TV. Thank you for visiting our page.
My name is Gianfranco Torres, and we're raising money to build this program from the ground up. Go to competitions like STN and FSPA.
My name is Sebastian Gerasi, and to help, please donate down below. My name is Danila Garcia. We appreciate your support, and your receipt will be in your email.
Hi, my name is Ivan Jimenez. If you can't donate, please send an email or share on social media.
Give me an energy of a Python.
Best soda ever.
With extra fizz.
Hi, my name is Russell Berry. I've been in education for 23 years.
What do we know about these guys? We don't want any blurry pictures. We don't want huge chunks of...
Administration, the most important thing for me is making sure that everybody knows that you're there. Making yourself known to all your teachers, knowing that your teachers know that you are available for them at any time, knowing that your students know that you're available for them at any time.
It is often suggested that there is a relationship between teacher retention and the academic performance of their students.
If a teacher has remained with us consistently year after year, you build excellent rapport and relationships with not only the students but the community stakeholders. People tend to perform better for these types of teachers rather than having a different math teacher year after year.
One study shows that 37% of teachers plan to leave their current school or the profession altogether in the next 4 years.
Support that would be needed for teacher retention would be support from administration or counselors or any support staff. I think that it's important to have a liaison between new teachers and the school. I think that it would be beneficial to have somebody who's consistently checking up on new teachers, first or second year teachers, just to see if they need any help or if they need guidance, and just somebody extra to know that you can lean on them in the classroom is very comforting, and that would definitely help my retention as a teacher as well.
Why not sleep in class? Sleeping in class.
I wish I had some energy right now.
Success and personal development.
Oh my God, the can!
for today, Pythons, remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning using updates. Have a great day. Go Python!